Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a bit. It's been 4 months actually, because I just checked. So I apologize, just like I do in every video, that it takes me this long, but I really have to like be excited about making a video. I can't just like turn on the camera and like talk about something that, I don't know, I guess I'm just not passionate about. And I have something that I'm really passionate about that I'm going to reveal to you guys in just a little bit, which is the whole point of this video. But anyway, I hope everyone is doing well. I hope you're staying safe. I hope you're having fun and staying sane, which is exactly what I'm trying to do. As you guys can see, I did full glam for you guys today. All of this for you guys, because that's how much you mean to me. I'm like feeling anxious right now just because I have foundation on, because it like drives me nuts. I'm one of those people that just like can't wear foundation. I don't know why. I'm like super paranoid about it all the time. I even have the big eyelashes for you guys. Look at that. That's how much I love you, as long as the lashes are. It does feel like I have like little squirrel tails taped to my eyelashes though. They're so big. I was not expecting that. And the fact that it's been probably close to a year or two since I've worn eyelashes, it's a little uncomfortable, I'm not gonna lie. But like I said, doing it for the YouTube. You guys are here to see my purse reveal. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you totally should, because I've already unboxed this. I've already looked at it. I've already clipped the little tags from it. This is a purse that I've been saving for quite some time. It has been on my wish list for many, many months. I have wanted this bag so badly that it has actually made it to my unicorn wish list, which is a secret little wish list that I haven't shared with you guys yet. But I am so thankful and so happy to Fashionphile for selling me this bag. I don't even know what to do right now. I will tell the backstory and all of that hoonanny at the end. For those of you who want to just see the bag, let's get into it. Okay, so like I said, I purchased this from Fashionphile. I searched and searched for many months. I wanted it to be in excellent condition or new condition, and I wanted the full package to come with it, which it did. The only thing it does not come with are the tags, but I'm pretty convinced that Fashionphile doesn't give the sales tags with the items that they sell, just because like items that I've sold to Fashionphile, I've sent the tags with, and they never posted it with the item that I was selling. So I don't know. I would have liked to have that, but that doesn't matter. Like I said, I got everything else. So this is the box it came in. Super adorbs. Okay, so I guess I'm just gonna kind of open it and then show you guys, because I can't do it all at once. Okay. So, and then here's what it looks like. But before we get into that, I have the original dust bag. I have the care booklet that also comes with the little wipey cloth. And then I have the Fashionphile tags that I did finally snip off the bag. Okay, so real quick, no, you guys don't want to hear it. You want to hear it at the end, so I will tell you at the end. I keep getting distracted. Okay, like I said, this has been a long time coming, getting this bag, so my brain is like all over the place. Let's just open this bitch up, okay? So, okay. I'm nervous. What are you guys gonna think? If you follow me on Instagram, you already know what this is, so let's just get into it. This is my medium size vanity case in the dark turquoise with the rainbow hardware. Stunning. Okay, so somebody help me out here. I was told this is caviar. Fashionphile told me this is caviar. But then a person who is a legit, like, they know what they're talking about. They said it's a goat skin. That it's a quilted goat skin of sorts. What is that? What that is? Like, is that what caviar is? Somebody tell me down below, please. Let me get a little close up for you guys because she's stunning, okay? So dark turquoise, rainbow hardware. This is the front. The bottom, it has a zip around, obviously. The top, just, ooh, look at that, yes. And then the back, I just love the back because it's just, oh, stunning. Okay, all right, so let's open it up. So it has two little zippers, one here, and they actually do lock. They have a little guy here, so you would connect both of them. And then you can lock it with, let me get these clochettes out. There's a lock here. So the lock is, I'm sorry, on this side. And then this key has the actual lock that you would stick in there and you can lock it closed. I don't know who would, because that sounds very time consuming, but I guess it is kind of like a travel piece. I don't know. But anyway, okay. So it comes with the two clochettes and the locking key. And then this is a shoulder style bag. Hold on. I'm all tangled up here. Okay, so I'll show you up close the beautiful rainbow hardware. Hopefully it focuses, with the dark turquoise entwined in it. Beautiful. And then it has a shoulder strap, which has a bit of leather, which I totally appreciate. I hate when bags don't do this. So there we go. All right. And then the inside is pretty nice. It's a little bit of a different color, which I was surprised by. Real quick, I had not seen this in person at all. I've seen other vanity cases in this size, which is the medium, if I didn't mention that already, in person, but I'd never seen a dark turquoise one. I just had only seen it online, so I assumed the interior would be the same, but it looks to be like a navy almost. So here's one of the gussets. Tell me if I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. It looks navy to me. And then you have two compartments. So this one in the back is actually larger, and then there's a front one. There's a zipped compartment, and then back here there's also another zipped compartment. This piece was made in Italy. The rainbow hardware on my bag still has all the stickers on it too, which is really appreciative. So yeah, it's just a beautiful bag all around, and I'm so excited to wear it. Real quick though, I also wanted to show you guys, I have my bag that I'm currently using, which is my Celine Nano. So I want to try and fit the items that I have been using into this bag, and we'll see how that goes. Okay, so I have a mini pochette. Again, the back part is bigger, so I'm gonna just shove that in there like so. And then the wallet I'm currently using is this little yellow guy, which is turning up horrible on camera. It is a bright yellow, like a sunshine yellow. Why does it look green? There's more of a true color. It looks like poopy baby color back here. I don't know why, but anyway, so I'll throw that in there, and I'm actually gonna turn that sideways like so. Okay, then I have my clay 6 key ring. My little coin pouch, I'm using this Longchamp one. It's so adorable. I actually like it because it's like moldable, so I could like flatten it or whatever. Although, I don't know how I'm gonna make, there we go. Nope, that's not gonna work. Okay, so I've put my keys back here with my coin pouch and my wallet. And I guess that's pretty much it that I would carry. And it looks like it would close up just fine. I actually have room on top for sunglasses. There's a couple inches here still that I have extra room for. I guess I could put my phone in there, huh? I wonder how I would do that. Oh, my phone fits right in there. Look at that. And my keys will not fit because I have this big poofy thing, but I could just hang it out the side like so. Alright, and instead of using this wallet, I wanted to show you guys with a card holder. This is my beautiful dark turquoise card holder that I bought in New York, which I will tell you guys about in a minute. Where are my keys? Oh, yeah, they're in there. So that would give you a ton more room. And then I also wanted to show you guys with a O case. This is empty, but it would fit. Oop. If I put it in sideways. If I put it in the long way, I probably wouldn't do that because it would be squished against my coins. But the only thing I've noticed with this bag, like I said, I have not used it yet. The only thing that I have noticed is the zipper, when it's empty, can get a little fussy when you're closing it. When you're opening it, it's just fine. I have no issues. But like closing it, I'm kind of like pinching this, and I don't want to do that. So it's just a little bit there. It wasn't too bad, but all right, I'm gonna set it up so you guys can see. Okay, so for the quick story time portion, I just put my bag here so you guys could all see it. But anyway, so back in 2018, I went to New York with my friend Sam. I had the best time ever. We went to pretty much every Chanel boutique that there is in New York, and I fell in love with this dark turquoise color. It is everything to me, you guys. Like I said before, this is my unicorn bag. Unfortunately, there wasn't much left when I was able to go to a Chanel boutique, and the only thing I ended up picking up was this card holder. The only other thing that was available was like the round little crossbody that was like this big. It is definitely not anything that I would ever use. But so I ended up getting this card holder because I loved, like I said, the collection so much. It's so incredibly beautiful to me. And then when I saw that there was a vanity case for sale or available in that in this colorway, I just like it went to the top of my wish list continuously every season. I never stopped thinking about this. So eventually, actually most recently this year, I started saving for it and I got serious, and I saw on Fashionphile that it was available, and it had I think there were like 4 of them. So I added them all to my cart, and then I watched, you know, until it was at a price that I felt okay with paying for this. I just got really lucky. This was in the condition I wanted. It came with everything, the whole kit and caboodle, whatever you want to call it. Oh my god, my hair, you guys. When I saw that it hit 20%, I quick texted Sam and I was like, would I be stupid not to get this? Like, it's 20% off. And she's like, you need to get it. And I'm like, okay. So I bought it instantly, and I haven't regretted it ever since. But I really wanted to share this with you guys. It's super exciting for me. Like I said, I've had it about a week now. I have not used it. I'm gonna try and take some mod shots when I have a cute outfit with this. I know I'm gonna get comments about how it looks on me. I don't care. Like, shut up. Sorry, not trying to be mean, but it's small. I'm not. It is what it is. I don't care. I love it, and I love looking at it, and it is what it is. I already know that it's small for my body. I get it. It's fine. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. If you want to see more pictures of this beauty, go to my Instagram. It's thepurseaddict.sam, because I will be blowing up my Instagram with photos of this. I already have a couple on there, like the last 3 photos, I think. I just can't stop taking pictures of it. It's so beautiful, right? So anyway, I hope you guys have a good one, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.